myself Sunu Ramakrishna. This is National Photography. So you understand the yes, that boy basically was a normal person basically. आम आदमी basically. He don't know basically anything. But here basically few rich people basically become one and done basically the divorce case into murder case. Why? Because they have power. They have money power. They have political power. So here's one person told that when world will end basically, this all power basically will be nothing basically to save the world. And mark my word basically, this will become true basically. So one person told that in world end basically, this will be also one of the condition. Because one person told what condition basically? Suddenly basically connected. So he told that basically when world is going to end basically, just before few days basically, few things basically are going to generate. Few incidents are going to happen. That indicates that basically the world end is just going to happen within. So one person wrote that indication basically are the conditions of world end basically, which is going to happen within 2-3 days. So here one person told that time basically the rich money, poor people, all are going to become one basically. All will become one basically. So one person told that yes basically. That day basically with the one basically, all will be equal going to treat basically. So one person told before basically world ends basically, why don't you basically do like this basically? For example, this person basically done nothing basically. His divorce basically case converted into murder case basically. Then why basically government basically creates problem to that? Why basically? So one person told that why basically has created problem to some group basically. That's why. That group basically are the rich people. So one person told that. So one person told that like this basically also things are connecting. So next video.